guys, I'm currently making a butter cookies and siya. Pero i-repeat ko yung process for you to uh, masundan niya. So, let's go. Pumunta ko yung tripod ko guys sa loob. Para ayan siya. So, you need the flour. Ito yung ginagamit kong flour, yung from Easy Bakers. Pero ang brand nito is Family. Sa Shopee ko siya binibili. Then, you need a piping bag. Then, yung gamit kong piping bag and a tip. Ayun, 1M. Yung tip na to. And 1M butter, powdered sugar, and then a butter. Ito yung ginagamit ko na butter. Actually, it's a butter compound. Pero yung ginagamit ko, golden brown. Yung masarap, malinamnam naman siya. Before. And, need din ng weighing scale para mas accurate yung measurement. Actually, ngayon ko lang tinry na gumamit ng weighing scale sa paggawa. And mas maganda yung result. And this bowl, mixing bowl para dun i-mix, and a spatula. So, and also oven. Siyempre, mag-bake na eh. Kailangan ng oven. Super. So, first na gagawin is, kumuha kayo ng bowl. Tapos, ito yung weighing scale. So, timbang ng butter is 24 grams. Since may timbang tong bowl, kailangan mo siyang i-tear. Ayan. Na butter. Ayan. 23 grams. So, kulang pa tayo ng 51 grams. Next is i-measure naman yung powdered sugar. So, powdered sugar is 35 grams of icing sugar. Next, sa mixing bowl, lagay niyo yung butter na 74 grams of butter. Drop niyo lang. Then, yung powdered sugar na mix niyo. Mix niyo siya. Okay, so, i-cream mo lang siya. Halo-halo lang. So, ganda dapat yung kakalabasan niya. Ayan, cream na siya. 100 grams. Okay, so, sorry siya. Smooth. Ayan. Measure niyo lang yung 100 grams. This is the right consistency, guys. Yan. Tapos, for 10 minutes, 12, and then 1 hour. That's good. Anong cookies ko? And ito, nutrition. Diba, ganda. So, this is my coffee. Here, ice, and our coffee mug, and coffee.